Hi everyone! Good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you what is PayPal and how to use it, a full beginner tutorial. But before we start, what is PayPal first? PayPal is a popular online payment system that allows individuals and businesses to send and receive money electronically. It serves as a digital alternative to traditional payment methods such as checks and money orders. PayPal enables users to make secure transactions over the internet, using their bank account, credit card, or PayPal balance anywhere around the world. Anyways, after that short introduction about PayPal, let us now explore its website. Okay, first things first, open up your browser of choice. And then, what you are going to do from here is head on to PayPal. To do that, press your search bar and search up www.paypal.com, or you can just easily search it up using Google. Once here, you will see different option tools above like your dashboard, send and request, wallet, activity, and help. Since this is the updated version of PayPal, it is much more organized, convenient, and easy to access for everyone. So, if you want to manage your PayPal currencies, just tap on the PayPal three dotted and select Manage Currencies. After tapping, it will bring you to a new page where you can access and edit your account currency. Just scroll down and you will find your currency option on the left side of your screen. In here, you can add currency by tapping the option Add a Currency. Once tapped, it will bring you to a page where you can select which currency you like to add. After choosing, just tap the option Add a Currency again, and it will be automatically added to your currency list. If you want to change your primary currency, you just have to tap on the three dotted option or the ellipses of the currency that you want to set as your primary, and then select Make Primary. On the other hand, if you want to close a currency, just do the same process and then select Close Currency. If you happen to use PayPal for shopping purposes and you don't have any balance on your PayPal account yet, the easiest way is to connect your credit or debit card or your bank account. For you to link it, just scroll up and then tap on the Link Bank or Card. Once you tap on it, it will bring you to a page where you can select whether to link your card or your bank. If you choose to link a credit card, this will list information that you need to answer. After answering, just tap on Link Card to link your credit or debit card. However, if you choose to link a bank account, this will list information that you need to answer. After answering, just tap on Link Your Bank to link your bank account. Now that we are done exploring the wallet, we can now proceed on the Send and Request tool by tapping on it. Here, if you want to send a payment, you just have to ask for either one from the name, username, email, or mobile number of the person you want to receive your payment. But it is much advisable to use the email in sending payment to ensure safety. Here in Request, it is similar to sending a payment where you just have to ask for either one from the name, username, email, or mobile number of the person you want to request a payment from. But again, it is much advisable to use the email in sending payment to ensure safety. Here in Contacts, where you can access the account that you have been in contact with or the accounts that are in your phone number contacts. Here in More is where you can manage your PayPal.me profile. Once you tap on Get Started, it will reveal your important information like your name and your username. On the Activity option, here is where you can access your account history, the money you received, and the money that you have sent. If there is any case that you want to upgrade your personal account to a business account, what you want to do is tap on the Setting button on the upper right corner of your screen, and it will deliver you to your account page. You just have to scroll down until you see the Upgrade to Business account on the lower left of your screen. Lastly, if you want to close your account, just tap on the Close account that can also be found on the lower left of your screen. And that's it! You now know what is PayPal and how to use it. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!